வாழ்க வளத்துடன்!
Hello, Vanakkam. Greetings to all of you. Welcome to our channel Good Life and Happy Journeys. Happy to see you again here. This video is about aura body and little details about God as per our little knowledge. Okay, happy to see you. Now aura body, we have discussed about aura body in our previous videos also. So we can do healings to aura body, which is called as energy body or light body, Shakti udal, Holy udal, we call it like that, right? So the aura body is surrounding our physical body. We have each and every individual has individual aura body. A family has a family aura, and a street has a street aura. A village or a town or a city has a group aura, like the country has a country aura and the world has a world aura. Now with the divine grace together, we have to develop the divine positive aura more for the good for all. Okay? God does good health for all. Fine. Now we are going to see our aura body. Some of you may know about your aura body or the energy body. How can we see our aura body? Before that, a small example. When we see some great people, when we go nearby them or when we are in the premises, we feel a difference, because for great people in any field, right, they will have very good strong aura body and very good some chakras in their aura will be very good and strong. They might have worked for it a lot in this birth, also maybe from previous births they have done some meditations, tried for that, so they'll succeed. That's why they are succeeding, right? So let us create more good karmas. Let us all of us can win together with divine grace. We have to be healthy, wealthy and blessed. This world has to become a better place. Fine. Now we'll see our aura. Fine. So if I do this simple exercise, slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out 3 times. Sit straight. Okay. Keep your hands like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go like this. Okay. Now keep your hands like this. Partly close your eyes or close your eyes. Okay. Can you feel the aura surrounding your palms, the aura and the energy? Some may feel like a magnet, some may feel like it's an energy or a heat in between the palms. Sometimes it will be pulling in, sometimes it will be pushing out like a balloon. So the energy, that is the aura body, that is the energy body, we can feel that. All of us have that. So we are giving divine healings for the aura body, and we have discussed about we have to take some medical care for the physical body, and if required we can take healings, divine healings for the aura body, which is good for health, relationships, okay, all concerned. Also we can take this like a preventive measure instead of taking like a medicine. Food is also medicine. You can take like food as medicine, right? Fine. Thank you. Now we'll go about God. I have told you in a previous videos also, we'll do small prayers, small meditation. I told you, think about your God. Some people ask me which God you are mentioning. God is your God. God is inside you also. God is inside every living being. Fine. So you think your God as per your religion. I thank God for the word God. Because that is the word which is helping us to be in unity, in diversity, but unity in diversity, right? You understand? Fine. So God is inside you and God is inside every living being. God is like almost like a CCTV camera in all the places at all times. Fine. That's why we have been advised in all religions, do good, whatever you do, it's going to come back to you in multiples. Fine. I'll share a small experience. With God's grace, we have got some experiences about God or the divine energy. God is the divine energy. Okay, fine. So let us follow you follow your religion, I mean we follow our religion without disturbing or hurting any other. God is God. God is a divine energy. God is in temple, God is in church, God is in mosque, God is in you also. Okay, God is in everybody. Fine. So God does good health for all. Now I'll share the small experience. Around 2000 or 2001, I was 16. Right, I was working in a company, Devi Super Leathers. Okay, fine. Now also I am 16. Okay, don't mistake. Right, fine. At that time, we 3 or 4 bachelors, we have rented a house to stay together, and it was a Saturday. We all planned to go to that house in the Saturday evening. So I started. I have taken my bags and I started. At that time, the friends said that we think that it will be better if we go in the morning, the next day, Sunday morning. But I said I have started, so I think I'll go. And they were telling that the place is like somewhere inside. The house is like in the end of the street. It's a new area to us, and they are telling that. To that house in the first floor, the terrace, it is almost people lived there before 1 year only. So we think it's better to go in the morning. I said I believe in myself and I believe in God. I have started. I said I'm coming today, so I'm going. You all come tomorrow morning. So I went there. So before sleeping, I also got like little fear. There was some little fear. So I tried to do some prayers and little meditations, and then I tried to sleep. But it took almost like more than 2 or 3 hours before sleeping. It was like I was unable to sleep. There was some little fear, right? So then I slept. I had some dreams. Dream is also night. Okay, dream is also dark, and there are some dark scenes. I got some little afraid of. Okay, so in the dream, I'm searching for something to get out of the fear. So in the dream, I'm going there here, but it was almost dark and the night time. Fine. So. You see, I am searching for something in the dream itself, and there was like some dark place, dark forest, but I saw a big old temple. I thought that if I go inside the temple, maybe I'll come out of the fear, it will be good and safe for me. Fine. So I tried to go inside, but some people were telling that this is night time, so temple will be closed. But I said okay, I'll try. So I went, the temple was open. I went inside. And I'm searching to find if any the main rooms are open to see the God, but being night time, all are closed. But in one room it was like there was some screen. I tried to see the God, but there was some screen. I thought okay, I'll sat before that and trying to do some prayers or meditations. To my luck, I was hearing some bell sound inside. And then I am watching, and some priest is showing some arati, and then he came out. I was really, I was wondering, and then he gave me the arati. I just, saluted that, prayed that. He gave me the holy water tirtham, and then I slept peacefully. The fear gone. Okay, fine. The next morning, it is like almost I have not been to the place. That is Pundamalli, I mean that particular area. I have not been to the place before that in my 22-23 years lifetime. Sorry, 16 years lifetime. Okay, fine. Now, so when I was in the morning, I started to the factory. And on the way, after crossing one street, I found a small temple. I went inside. The sanctum, the room was the same room, and the God was the same God. To my surprise, I noticed that after the priest showing me the arati, to our wonder, the priest is also the same priest. I have never met that person before in my life. So it means that God is there. God is giving us some hope. God is giving us some blessings. So God is there. God is inside you also. God is inside everybody. So be happy, be positive. Let us together vibrate good positive vibrations all over the world. All of us will be healthy, happy and blessed. Stay tuned. Keep watching us. If you like this, kindly give a like, share this, also subscribe. Thank you. See you again. Minum Sandipum, God bless you.